Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to Chika Muna with Coach Eileen here. It's my first time to be live, go live this year, and I'm so excited. There's a lot of things that I want to share with you guys this year. But thank you so much for those who are gonna be watching live with me today. Thank you. Let me know where you're watching from, and yeah, let me know about your holidays, guys. For me, December has been very busy. It's my milestone birthday. So a lot of holidays, a lot of parties, a lot of food. So yeah, medyo na-derail yung aking journey to weight loss. I actually gained. But thank God it wasn't so bad. So what else? So by the way, so ang daming nangyari, but now I'm back and I'm so grateful to be have a brand new season with you guys. So hopefully, I could share a lot of things with you this year. And yes, so for those who, so our topic today, actually, I'm just showing up here just to greet everybody. Happy New Year. And so happy New Year, happy new me, right? So yeah, new year, new me. So yeah, it's my first time being here again after a few weeks of a lot of holiday craziness going on, but it was very good. It was a balance of business and then quiet times, and it was really really good. But I find that this year there's so much parties. Like last week alone there was like three parties that I attended. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, I think it's the most wonderful time of the year, right? So yeah, full of holidays. But anyway, for those who doesn't know me yet, my name is Eileen. I am a wife, a mom, an early childhood educator, and a digital business coach and mentor. Okay. So yeah, so what do I want to talk about this today? So yesterday I was so pumped because we had our like Zoom meeting with the whole team from around the world, and I'm so inspired. Everybody is excited kasi New Year na, 'di ba? And everybody is like, so last night we talked about goal setting and stuff like that, and how you can achieve your goals. Yeah, so usually we do the usually our coaches will share the one that they use all the time, which is from the book Double Your Income Doing What You Love. But last night they shared a shorter version of it, which is, I know I posted it last night. It's called the GPS, like goal, plan, and have some system. And I think it's good, right? I think it's good to simplify everything because the more you have medyo complicated, it's hard to follow, right? Because not everybody has time to actually sit down and go over what you love, what you want to achieve, what are, your target goal, and then what is the, you know, uh, your whatever it is that you truly want, you have to write it down, and it will take a while. But this one is a shorter version. But yesterday they said, like, choose one or five, seven maximum goal that you want to achieve. As for me, I just want to focus on health, wealth, and happiness. Yes, yeah. Okay, so this year I really want to deep dive into what do you call this? Self-awareness, self-growth, personal growth, growth mindset. Yan. Uh, for those who haven't following me, I know I did not posted some of the pictures yet because sobrang busy, guys. Sabi ko nga sa isang business owner yesterday that, when it is like I'm like I focus on living, living, and honestly, not not posting, which is bad for the algorithm. A lot of people say, "Oh, why are you posting all the time? Do you want to show yourself?" Like, actually, algorithm, if I'm being honest, because it takes like three posts to for social media to show your post or awareness of who you are to people around the world if you keep posting, right? So we're trying to do that. Okay, so yeah, as I've said, I'm into that. As so for those who did not know, I recently entered my golden years. Yay! I was like, oh my gosh, I have like mixed feelings. Honestly, hindi pa siya nag-sink in kasi I feel like I'm probably stuck in my in my youth, right? My mindset, right? I'm always the happy-go-lucky type, but life happens and sometimes you get out of that. But honestly, I think we truly create when we are happy. And I think the reason why I have been kind of, successful in my life is that I am basically a happy person. I'm not the type who would like, just mag-muni-muni or, maglungkot sa isang sulok. I'm not that type. I'm more of palaban person. And yeah, I think that's what helped me, for those who doesn't know my story. It's not, I have my own stories, and it's not a walk in the park, right? So but yeah, so maybe this year I'm gonna be more vulnerable as well, more into sharing stuff. And yeah, so yeah, as I step into my golden years, I am more excited, but as I've said, di pa siya masyadong nag-sink in. My husband actually told me last night, like, "Hey, do you think you're young?" But honestly, and then I told my aunt, like, Auntie, sabi ni Julius, like, ano daw ako, like, they think you're still young. You're not so, so serious about life and stuff. And I said, and I was like talking to my aunt, and it's like, I don't know, because every time I look in the mirror, I don't feel so old, or I don't really feel old myself, right? So, hi. So, who's watching? Let me know where you're watching from. Thank you for watching and dropping by. So, yeah, I don't feel that, but I guess I need to be serious in a way because, uh, I don't know how people live. Honestly, I think everybody is different, right? A lot of people are so serious about things, and I think I have a different perspective in life, right? And um, the goal is to have a good life. The goal is at the end of it, be able to say it was how you want it. It is how I think a lot of people have different views of success and stuff. But for me, I think success is having no regrets, right? That you actually led a life that you truly want, right? And yeah, so okay, so what else? So as I've said, I'm gonna be focusing this year, 2026, and focusing on myself, lovingly letting go of what doesn't serve me. So letting go of the old stories, all the lies I tell myself. I'm gonna share with you later on a book that helped me with that. I have a lot of self-help books because I treated this as my mentors. The books are your best friends, guys. Thankfully, I love reading. Okay, so letting go of the self-limiting beliefs. We actually, in the beginning, before I started my business, I thought I don't have a limiting belief. And then later on, para siyang onion na open up, like, oh wow. And then I think it's a good thing that you are becoming self-aware of what are your limiting beliefs, because limiting beliefs are usually what pulls you away from ano from success, right? So honestly, I thought I don't have it a long time ago. So yeah, so old beliefs, old habits are big. I have to say I'm so proud that I what I set for myself, my routine are getting stronger. It is really, really true that practice makes perfect. And if we don't put emotions on it, like today, I was like, oh my God, I was so tired. I don't want to go for a walk. But then if I remove the feeling of, laziness and, feeling of, I'm not in a good vibes or stuff like that, then I would give up my walking routine. But then I just have to say, I only missed one because I had a headache. Um, and so, 4 out of 5, I've been walking for 30 minutes this week. Yay, that's a win. And yeah, a lot of things going on, and I will more stack more good habits because this is one of my priority, my health this year. Okay, so what else? um I'm grateful for the past. I want to use this as a reference and reflect on it. And yeah, I really, really choose to live in the now. A lot of people will think, oh my gosh, what is she saying? Like, but I really try to focus on living in the now, because there's no point really in, going so much ahead of yourself, especially when you're thinking of problems and, challenges. You just have to calm yourself in the now all the time and be aware that, your brain is telling you a lot of stuff that is not beneficial for you at the moment. So while I'm looking forward, this year is a lot of, although I live in the now, I have a great expectation for the future, and I would very, very be intentional on handpicking the experiences that I want, the people that I want to be out, surrounded by. And yeah. So anyway, welcome to the new year, new chapter. This is your golden girl. Did not sink in yet. I promise I'm gonna post the pictures that from the celebration and from the holidays. Yeah. So as always, guys, oh my gosh, 13. Oh, that's good because I was like thinking I just wanna stay here for 15 minutes max. So I'm so proud. I still have a few minutes. So as always, always please remember um that I'm here to help serve you guys by sharing some values, some stories, and some inspirations. And also remember, we only have one life, one chance. Why not? And speaking of why not, guys, again, ano ko lang, promote ko lang yung business ko, right? If you guys are looking for a digital business, nandun na lahat ang products and systems, ang mentorship and training. This is it for you guys if you want to earn extra income online. Uh, Let me know. Register your name and email address or message me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, you can always, always watch the live webinar, the information overview of the business. It's every Tuesday and Thursday, 6 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And of course, it's 24 hours replay. Actually, as soon as you register, there is going to be a replay on the thank you page, guys. And you can check it out like right away. So I think that's it for today, guys. Happy New Year, and thank you for showing up here at my Chika Muna with Coach Eileen. And I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you. Bye. Bye for now. Thank you. Happy New Year.